Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. So today we are going to look at a 5-pack featuring the Justice League. So here we can just see the pack, the decals on the front, the back, the sides. Let's get straight into it and rip this box open. So all these cars are Hot Wheels originals. That means Hot Wheels design. They're not actual cars. They are based off some cars, but they're actually original designs by Hot Wheels. So here we have the 5 cars. The first one is the Justice League Batmobile. So you can see it's in a matte black. It's a cool car. It's got a little gun on top, so it really does look like the actual Batmobile from Justice League. Moves around that gun a little bit. So yeah, it's a nice car. So the second one is Syncro, and again this is the Hot Wheels designed car, and it's featuring the Flash decal. It's actually, I really like the big tires on that car. So the third car we have is Sir Ominous, and this is featuring Cyborg. I really like the metallic grey that this car comes in. Big fat wheels, low profile roof line. It's a really awesome car. I really like this one. Yeah, and the red windows obviously reminiscent of the Flash. So the fourth car we have is a Rayura LX, and that's featuring Wonder Woman. It's got gold tires, and again it's in a burgundy red. So the final car we are looking at is Bully Goat, and this is featuring Superman. So obviously it's got a bit of red there with blue, and again the tires they've got red decals. Awesome car. So let's just take a quick look at these cars. So if you enjoyed that unboxing, don't forget to subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and stick around for detailed views of all these cars in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks for watching, everyone.